what is email? I will tell you what are its advantages, how to make an email address, and creating an email account and how to use it. So let's start with the chapters. So the internet is a global network of billions of computer and other electronic devices. With the internet, it's possible to access almost any information you want to communicate with anyone else in the world and do much more. So we can do all of this by connecting a computer to the internet, which is called going online. Now, what is email? It is an electronic mail. It is the facility on the internet to send and receive message to and from any part of the world. Sending and receiving mail electronic by using computer. आप क्या करते हो? मेल को सेंड करते हो, रिसीव करते हो यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंप्यूटर. So email is a similar to writing letters and in a quick way of keeping in touch with other people. So the website is like a post office. ये एक पोस्ट ऑफिस की तरह होती है for disturbing mails to us. ये क्या करते हैं? मेल्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है. And the website that provides email service to send and receive email is called the email service provider. So what are its advantages? Let's study about advantages. It is the fastest mode of communication. It reaches to any parts of the world. ये आप कहीं भी थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड आप कहीं भी इसको कुछ सेकंड्स में ही पहुंचा सकते हैं. द कॉस्ट ऑफ सेंडिंग ईमेल इज वेरी लेस एज कम्पेयर टू द कॉस्ट ऑफ सेंडिंग लेटर. ठीक है, इसकी जो कॉस्ट है वो भी कम है एज कम्पेयर टू सेंडिंग लेटर. राइट. द चांसेस ऑफ मैसेज आर बीइंग लॉस्ट आर वेरी रेयर. बहुत रेयर होता है कि भाई मेल नहीं पहुंची वरना ये पहुंच जाती है. Some same email can be sent to number of person. The received email is stored in your account and you can access as and when needed. देखो आप एक ही email को बहुत सारे लोगों के पास भेज सकते हैं, right? Files of any type like photos, videos can be sent as attachment through an email. It does not use any paper. यहाँ पे किसी तरीके का भी पेपर का यूज नहीं होता है. Then we have email account. So let's talk about email account. To use an email service on the internet, we need to have an email account. आपके पास इसके एक ईमेल एड्रेस होना चाहिए और ये एक सीक्रेट कोड प्रोवाइड करता है. इसको हम पासवर्ड कहते हैं अलॉन्ग विद आर पर्टिकुलर्स लाइक नेम, एड्रेस, डेट ऑफ बर्थ. सो देयर आर मेनी वेबसाइट ऑन द इंटरनेट विच प्रोवाइड द फैसिलिटी ऑफ फ्री ईमेल अकाउंट. ये एक फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करती है आपको फ्री ईमेल अकाउंट ही, राइट, लाइक www.gmail.com, www.yahoo.com, www.hotmail.com, like this. So email address, when we create an email account, we get an email address to which people write mail to. Every email account has a unique email address. एक unique email address होता है, which means no two persons in the world can have same email address. कि जो दोनों same person का same email address नहीं हो सकता. Like this is username, this is symbol, and this is your domain. Right now, creating an email account. For creating an email account, let's learn how to create an email account by using service or website. Right, on the Microsoft Edge browser. Right, so we can easily create an email account by filling a registration form. To create an email account, follow these steps. Open a Microsoft Edge for any other web browser. Click on create account button. Fill the Gmail registration. Select your location from location button. क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट बटन. आप नेक्स्ट बटन स्टेप पे बटन पे क्लिक करोगे एंड विल क्लिक आई एग्री. आप एग्री करोगे, आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो अपने जीमेल बटन. नाउ यूजिंग एन ईमेल अकाउंट, हाउ यू विल लॉग इन इट, राइट, विद द यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड. The login sign-in system with different email services may differ, but they all have the following basic features. Like we have inbox, ये आपको जितने भी आपने emails रिसीव करे वो शो करे. ठीक है. Draft, it stores mail that we have started to write but have not sent. Right. Next is send mail, stores the send mail sent by us. Trace, it store deleted mail. Then we have compose. So for that we will write in tools. Here we type the email address of the person to whom we want to send. देखो जिसको हम भेज रहे हैं हम उसका एड्रेस लिखेंगे. Then CC stands for carbon copy. It is used to send a copy of message to several people. It will specify the address of the people whom you want. जिसको आप भेज रहे हो सबका एड्रेस वो आपको वहाँ पे शो करेगा. BCC, that is blind carbon copy. It is used to send a copy of message to several people. It is mentioned with the field BCC field that are not visible of the other recipient. They are optional and they appear only when clicked. वो जब भी अपीयर करेंगे जब आप उनको क्लिक करोगे. नेक्स्ट इज सब्जेक्ट. इट इज अ शॉर्ट टाइटल जो एक ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन देता है आपको. नाउ मैसेज, वी कैन टाइप द मैसेज एंड फॉर्मेट इट यूजिंग अवेलेबल फीचर्स. वी कैन ऑल्सो इंक्लूड equations in our message. Now attachments, pictures, documents or any other file can be sent with our email using attachment option. To send an attachment with an email, follow these steps. You will click on the attach file button, select the desired file, click on OK button. And like this, the file will be attached to the mail. Now replying to the mail, we can reply to an email. The reply also includes original message, right? Therefore, both the original message as well as its reply will be visible to the receiver. To reply to an email, follow the steps. आप कुछ steps follow करोगे. Now open a mail and you will click on reply button. जैसे आप reply button पे click करोगे, तो आप अपने mail का reply कर सकते हो. Now forwarding an email. अब आपको email को forward करना है. So for that, open the mail you want to forward. Click on more button given to the right side of the reply button and you will select forward option. Click on forward link which is present in the box given below. Type the email address to whom you want to forward the mail. आपको किसको forward करना. Then click on send button और आप उसको क्या करोगे, send कर. Now deleting an email. So we can also delete an email. To delete emails, follow the steps. Select the email from the inbox. You will click on delete and you can move it to the trash. If you want to restore, you can restore it. Sign out and log out. How to log out? Sign out, sign in, login. Open the browser and type URL. Type your Gmail address, click on next button and you can type your password. और जैसे आप password type करोगे, click on next button, like this it will be show. What is email spam? In identical message sent to numerous recipients by email when it is really not necessary. We call it email spam. There are usually from some companies for advertising their product. Do not open such mails. So do not and do not use URL given in such mails or open such attachment. और वो इन तरीके के attachments को भी open नहीं करते, right? Hope you understood. We have completed this chapter. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.